Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can set up your alarm on your iPhone. It is very easy. What you need to do is you just need to go to your clock app just like this, and if your clock app is like this, you need to just tap on it and it will automatically go into your clock app. If it isn't, just tap on it, and otherwise this icon will be come up. You just need to tap on this icon, and under this icon it's an alarm app. Beneath this there are four options, which is word clock, alarm, stopwatch, and you need to go to your alarm. And here you can actually put an alarm by just adding or tapping on the positive sign here, and adjust the time. You can put it on repeat, label it, and you can set the sound of your alarm. And to delete this, you just need to tap on it, this alarm, and here there is option of deleting the alarm. I hope this video helping out in adjusting your alarm, and this video makes your experience to iPhone better. Until next video, bye bye.